Good morning, beaver. How are you? Some beaver right there. Seems curious about me, but not overly angry about me being here. Although he is heading my direction. And that's slightly disconcerting. Do not want to fight a beaver this morning. I'm gonna leave him alone. Hello, beaver. Wow, he came right up next to me. That is so cool. As long as he doesn't want to scrap. Dude, cool. No, dude, no. Oh, did you get to see him at least? About how big was he? Yeah. A snakehead are cool, dude. Yeah. Oh, that's a good sign, though. Good sign. Yeah. Oh, yeah? That's hilarious. Concentrate, dude. Concentrate. Yeah. Get him in there, man. Get him in there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that thing. I have lived. Dude, that thing, I wish that was on video.
I know, man.
And then it was come right back. It came right back. Oh, 3 in a row. I would have set the hook 3 times.
Would you? Dude, I saw the frog every time. Like it wasn't disappearing. Yeah.
You want to give him your hammer?
No.
I was killing.
Rookies don't get hammered.
Rookies don't get hammers.
Bro, I think that we brought Nick here, and I think he beat both of our PBs on his first fish, dude. What the f, man?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Completely out of the water. Would have been the best video ever.
That looks like at least like a, he might go 7 pounds, man.
He felt like it.
Out of the water.
Completely out of the water, right here.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Too cool, dude. Too freaking cool.
Like,
So he was hitting it like out away from the weeds, right?
Yeah, he was away from the weeds.
Yeah, it's a whole different pattern from last time, man.
Yeah, I think they're on the edge towards the deeper stuff. They're not.
Yep.
just slammed it
3 times in a row. Just like, I missed it. I missed it. Third time.
That is sweet, dude.
Set that hook so fast.
I know, I wanted to, but I saw my frog.
Yeah, look at the shoulders on her. She's got to be 7.
I saw my frog every freaking time. You know? I'd love to weigh it while it's still got blood in it, but
yeah,
I don't want it to like get away.
Well, yeah, I would say put him on the stringer, and I'm gonna film the drama.
Of me getting it on the stringer?
Yeah, and then once
Screw you, dude.
Then once you have it on the stringer, then I'll give you the scale.
Why is he's being so calm? Because he's waiting for you.
He's waiting.
Or do you have a scale?
I do have a scale, but I'd love to use yours.
Why am I giving him tips? He's supposed to learn this on his own.
No way.
I gave him the short stringer for the fun of it.
I gave him the short stringer for the fun of it. Oh, it's so gross in there. Oh my god. No. He's staying hooked until I have him stringered.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah, I'm not taking a chance. Let me actually get down in there.
I'm so excited for that hit right there.
Oh, dude.
So
and then when it came
amazing.
completely out of the water, I was like,
I know, it was like a smallmouth.
No
dude.
doubt, it's crushed all that.
It was like a smallmouth. This guy's gonna whack me right in the if he goes. It's
Get him,
gonna
Nick.
suck. He's rearing up. I feel him.
Oh yeah, dude. It's weird. Like sometimes they'll almost vibrate, be like tweaking out.
Yeah, like muscles twitching.
Yeah.
I'm about to explode.
Yep.
You ever have one try and bite you?
No, but I never stuck my hand in their mouth either. That's what I'm saying. It's like you'll catch the fish fairly quickly. It'll take at least 3 times as long to get on the stringer. All right, you done playing around yet?
Hey, shut up.
Come on, man.
Come on.
I'm ready to take a picture, weigh this thing. You're f***ing around.
Jared gave me the short stick.
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, this sucks.
That's hilarious,
This is
dude.
bull.
Yeah, it's on the stringer.
Come catch snakehead, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So close.
Yeah.
It was so close.
Start over.
Son of
That's the game.
That is not a fun game. It wouldn't be so bad if you weren't staring down the giblet of these gnarly teeth. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I can already picture how I'm gonna use this on video.
Are you
Like 3 minutes later, 5 minutes later.
are you recording this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, get him nice and clean and shiny for the photo.
Look at his fins, dude. All right.
All right, go for it.
There it is. He's slippery. Oh
And
my God, look at the slime.
3, 2, 1. Got her. One more time. Yeah.
Look at the slime, dude.
Yeah.
They're like a catfish.
That's a nice snake. Here.
All right.
Let's
Wait.
get the scale.
I'm gonna hand it off to you and let you weigh it. I want to see it.
And she is.
Dude, look at you.
She was close.
6.5.
6.5.
Wow.
Nice, dude. Yeah, nice bass. There you go.
Hey, Steve. You got a second? Look.
Yeah.
Ew.
That's gross.
What is that?
That's a big shad.
Oh, that's so gross. Oh,
Mud shad.
it was very mushy, like stepping in poo.
There's got to be another one up there. This is like spawning heaven.
Yep.
I got the little male. Get the big female.
Here's hoping. That'd be a hell of a thing to get a hit in the same spot.
Yeah, because then you know it's a spawning
Yep.
situation. Because otherwise they never get that close. I think they would fight.
Ooh,
Down there.
ooh.
Oh. Get.
I don't know. I don't know what more to do.
Let me see your frog. Let me see if it's different from this one.
I do not know what more to do.
Here, tie this on. Give me that. Get rid of it. It's bad mojo.
And the thing is, I just changed it out too.
Did you?
That's a new one.
And look, it's all up.
That was the female, man.
Yep.
That was it. That thing was beast.
Oh, okay. It's the most long distance dangle I've ever done in my life. You see it way down there?
Water's turning my green braid.
Oh. Yep.
I mean, I've missed as many fish as you have.
Yeah, it's
I've just got lucky and got furry. But I've definitely missed as many, if not way more.
Right.
Come on, Steve. This looks too good.
I mean, there was one here, technically.
Yeah, you got the one on the dribble, drabble, dabble.
Oh. Oh.
Good. Nick's got one on.
Yeah. Double? Yeah.
Yeah, come hit him in the head. Put that thing right beside. Hit him in the head, man. Hit him in the head.
Oh, God, dude. Jared. I mean, the two I lost were way bigger, but you know what? At least I've got a fish on the stringer. Yeah. Yeah.
Hip to nothing.
It was funny because right before he cast it, I saw. Right before he cast it, yeah, it's a largemouth.
It is a largemouth. I was gonna say, I think that's a large.
Right before he cast it, that thing made a wake over there. Did you see it? Yep.
That's a pretty big one. I like it.
That's a nice bass.
That is a nice bass.
Yeah, I saw that wake and I was about to cast and you were already in motion. Hold on to him for a second. We'll get your picture and I'll get a weight on it. 'Cause if I had to guess, it looks like 3 pounds or so.
Nah, it's not quite 3. I don't care what it weighs.
What do you think?
I don't care what it weighs. I'll take a picture.
Yeah, now we gotta weigh it.
Oh, yeah, we got to weigh because now Nick and I are in competition for this.
I'm saying it's not 3.
Nah, he's 2.5.
2.5?
I'm saying it's not 3. You gotta weigh it. Picture?
It's going to be close. It's going to be close.
I'm saying it's not 3 is all I'm saying.
I got you in the background, Nick.
Yeah. Weigh it.
And
2.5.
338. 339.
You, buddy. Steve, you are a marvel when it comes to guessing fish's weight.
Calibrated. Yeah, if only I was as good at hooking them. I was going to kiss this fish, but it's not my fish.
That's true. You can still kiss it. Let me smell it.
But with a bass that
Oh, you put it back, you son of a gun. I love sniffing largemouth.
with a bass that size, just like a reaction. Like, oh, time to kiss.
Right.
That's a big bass, dude. Yeah.
There's largemouth.
It's angry.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came out of the water. I love it. Absolutely love it. I love. Oh, just scratch my. I love the way bass smell, man. Are you recording that?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Was another, at least a high 2, if not a low 3.
You're more than welcome to weigh it.
Yeah, I will.
Big old
Yeah,
fish.
that's probably a 3. That's probably a 3.
Could be a 3.
Either a real high 2 or a low 3. We have 3.18.
Yes. Oh. Like so.
Yeah.
Thank you one more time. Because I like it.
Well, I found the headwaters of this river, and it looks like this would be a good place to go, maybe for perch fishing. I mean, the shad and the carp apparently love it. And this thing is full of shad and carp right now. I might have to go try to make it up there. This could be a cool experience. More than likely, all that's going to happen is I'm going to struggle over trees and freaking carp. But yeah, more than likely I'll just be struggling over trees and looking at idiot carp and shad, but it's worth a shot. The fishing's pretty slow right now anyway. So far so good. Look at all those shad up there. You see those giant tails? Either that or carp, and I'm not sure which. Yeah, will you look at that? What? Can you see those giant tails up there? Right at where that water comes in? Those are carp. Giant carp. There's probably hundreds of them up here. Man, I wish I had a bigger net. Look at them all. They are myopic. Oh, hit one. Hit another. This net's not big enough for the job. Look at this one right here. Look at him. Hey! Got 2 mud shad. That's good catfish bait. I'll put them on the stringer. Got him. Oh, jeez. Well, I haven't done great landing snakehead today, so at least I'm getting these guys. Got a little crappie doing this. Crappie in the net. There you go. Oh, it's a good time. Yep, thank you for your sacrifice. I thoroughly spooked that hole, but look, there's a wall of carp right down here. I mean a wall of them. If I just get one carp in the net, that'd be so cool, but I don't see it. If I had a bigger net, sure, but this net's just too small for that. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, he just dodged it. Just barely dodged it. Ooh, he hit it. Yes! Oh, God bless. He is so full of energy. It's like putting him in the water doesn't seem to calm him down at all. All right, let's put this phone away. I'm gonna see if I can get a weight on her. If I can, great. If not, oh well. Not there. We have just over 10 pounds. All right, girl. Hang on. There you go. And she's out of here. Hell yeah. Got one in the net. But yeah, man, what a day, what a day, what a day. Definitely some interesting fishing. Got Nick on his first, second, third, and fourth snakehead. Look at that guy. Kills me. And look at Jared's stringer. That's what mine should have looked like, but you know, you go back to the drawing board, figure out what you were doing wrong, do better next time. Still not a bad day on the water. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Any questions, comments, let me know. Have a good one.